Hi. Want to read a book? Want to read the Baby Faces book? Oh, it's a sad baby. Oh, what a sad baby. Oh, there's a really mad baby. That baby's really mad, huh? Oh. Want to see the sad baby again? Oh. Poor little sad baby. Are you a sad baby now? Oh. Well, look it. Here's the shy baby. And there's a sleeping baby. There's a sleeping baby. There's a messy baby just like you. There's a silly baby. And there's also a happy baby. But William likes the sad baby. All right, Mommy will stop torturing you. Say bye-bye, babies.
Bye-bye, baby.